The following video will explain how to install your square cassette. Please note that the parts in this video may not be the same as you got. First, let's start measuring 3 inches away from the wall and making a mark. Then line up the bracket and proceed to mark where the screws will be going. Using a 1/8 drill bit, pre-drill the holes to make the installation easier. Using a Phillips screwdriver or a hex head bit with a drill, proceed to attach the brackets. Make sure to don't tighten your first screw all the way to be able to screw the second screw, ensuring that the bracket is straight. Proceed to repeat this same process on the opposite side. Make sure to place the top side of the bracket into the groove, and then push up to ensure that the bottom portion of the bracket does clip into place. Undo the zip tie and proceed to attach the clear bracket for the hold-down device to the shade, keeping tension on the chain and mark where the bracket will be going. Then remove the clear brackets from the hold-down device and proceed to mark the holes. Using a 1/8 drill bit, pre-drill the hole. After the holes are pre-drilled, proceed to attach the clear bracket to the wall. Once this is attached, go ahead and snap the hold-down device to the bracket. Use the smallest screw to secure the hold-down device in place. Now just test and enjoy your new shade.